Chinese electronics manufacturer Chuwi has launched an Android 12-enabled tablet powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. The Chuwi HiPad Max, as it is named, offers dual SIM connectivity and comes with a 7000 mAh battery for extended use. In terms of specifications, the Chuwi HiPad Max packs a 10.36-inch display with a peak brightness of 400 nits and a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. The tablet has a screen-to-body ratio of 84% with 7mm bezels on all its sides. It also comes with Widevine L1 certification for streaming HD videos. It is unclear how correct the claims of Chuwi on the display bezel thickness are as per the marketing images released. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset powers the tablet. The Snapdragon 680 is a mid-range chipset that is also featured in the Moto G42, Moto G52, and Redmi Note 11. The chipset is a quad-core chip with 4-ARM Cortex-A73 and Cortex-A53 cores, as well as an Adreno 610 GPU. The tablet has 8 GB of RAM as well as 128 GB of expandable storage. The tablet can connect to wireless networks via Wi-Fi 802.11, weighs 440 grams, and has dimensions of 246.5 by 156.25 by 8mm. Chuwi HiPad Max is currently available exclusively on AliExpress. It currently retails for $199, but will revert to its original price of $399 after the flash sales on August 26. The slate runs on Android 12 out of the box, and that makes it draw comparisons with the Blackview Tab 13. However, it is unclear how the reception might be with its high post-launch price of $399. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and it was useful. Have a nice day and see you soon.